Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mridula Kadevru, mathematics teacher for standard 6th. So children, today let us continue with our chapter 14 practical geometry. So children, let us start with the chapter. Children, today let us see how to construct a copy of a given line segments. In the last session we had studied that some measurement was given and we were constructing the line segment. But when you don't know the measurement of the line segment yet, you have to construct a copy of the same figure. Then what you have to do? So imagine that they have given a line segment AB and we want the copy of this one. So what we have to do? So children, here is how we have to follow the construction. First, take a line segment AB of any measurement. Now, if you want to find the copy of the same, what you have to do? Draw a line L and mark a point A on it. Now, next step what you have to do? Using your compass, place the pointer on A and your pencil on B. Now you got the measurement of this AB. Now in this line with A as center, now cut this line. So this is B. Now we got the exact line segment, that is copy of AB here. So when you cut the line with this AB as the radius with point A, you get the exact replica or the copy of AB. Now let us start with exercise 14.3. First question is, draw any line segment PQ. Without measuring PQ, construct a copy of PQ. So children, you have to follow the same method. First, draw a line segment PQ. So students, I have taken a line segment PQ and the measurement is unknown. Now you have to find the copy or construct the copy of PQ in this line. So first what you will do? You will draw a straight line L and mark any point on it as P. Next step what you have to do? With P as center, you adjust your compass such that the other point comes on Q. So children, observe here, I have taken exact measurement of this. Now with this P as center, now cut the line L here. Now you got the marking and now mark this point as Q. So this is the exact copy of the line segment PQ. Question number 2. Given some line segment AB whose length you do not know, construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. So first draw a line segment AB of unknown measurement. So children, I have drawn a line segment AB. Now after that, to find the copy of this, what you have to do? Draw another line L. Now with A as center, adjust your compass such that you get the exact measurement of AB, and now here with any point on the line you want PQ and PQ should be twice of this. So I have taken the measurement here. First take one time and with this as center, cut the line another time. So it becomes 2 times. So this will be my line segment PQ. So children, I hope the exercise is clear. Now let us start with perpendicular line. So children, before starting with construction, let us see what is a perpendicular line. So you observe the two lines are intersecting here, isn't it? So whenever these two lines intersect and the point of intersection is here, and at this point if the angle formed is 90 degree, then we can say that the line L and line M both are perpendicular to each other. So like this we have to construct the perpendicular to the given line. So let us start. So children, the common method which we follow before learning construction, how to draw a perpendicular. So what we do, usually we draw a line, mark any point P, and if we want to draw a perpendicular at this point P, what we have to do, we used to use a set square where one angle is 90 degrees. We already know it, isn't it? Now place the point of this one with your point P, and the line drawn should exactly coincide with the line of your set square. Now is it exactly coinciding? Yes, isn't it? Now what you have to do, with this point just draw a line like this. I will draw it and then show to you. So children, when you coincide, you just draw a line from here. I have already drawn this. So children, when you draw, the angle formed here on the either sides of this line will be 90 degrees. Hence we call this line as the perpendicular to the line L. Now the same thing we have to follow or do with the help of your ruler and compass. We have to construct. So let us start. Children, now let us draw a perpendicular to the given line L with the help of the compass. Now I have taken the line L and marked P as a point. Now with your compass and with P as center and convenient radius, any radius you can take. I have taken this much as the distance, so this will be my radius. And now construct an arc intersecting the line L at 2 points. Now with this as center, what I will do, I will just draw a arc like this. So I am getting 2 points here, A and B, isn't it? So whenever you take any convenient radius with P as center, just draw an arc. So I have drawn an arc. I have got 2 points here. Next step, what you have to do, with A as center and radius more than AP. So AP. So the distance between this. So with A as center, take radius more than AP. Is it more than AP? Yes. Now with more than AP, what you have to do? Draw an arc. I have drawn it. And with the same radius, with B as center, draw another arc. Now we got a point here, isn't it? Now with this point, mark this as Q. Now join PQ. So children, you observe that this PQ is perpendicular to the line segment AB or the line L, 90 degrees. You can draw complete arc or you can just cut the line. I will show you that also. So children, I have taken the line L and with P as center, draw an arc. Either you can draw arc like this or you can just cut the line L on both the sides. So I have cut this. Now mark these points as A and B. Next, what you have to do, with A as center and radius more than AP. Is it more than AP? Yes. Now draw a arc. I have drawn an arc here. Now with B as center and same radius, draw another arc. You got a point here, isn't it? Now mark this point as Q and then join PQ. So children, we got the perpendicular line to the line segment AB or the line L. You can also draw a perpendicular line below also. Same thing, draw an arc and with A as center and radius more than AP, draw a arc below, and with B as center, again draw an arc. You got a point here, mark it as R. Now join PR. So children, you observe that you can draw a perpendicular above as well as below the given line.